students, welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your EVS subject, in that lesson number 8. The name of the lesson is Festivals. Now what are festivals? Festivals we celebrate like Raksha Bandhan, yes, Diwali, Holi, these are all festivals. We like to celebrate all the festivals. Yes, before starting with our lesson, first we are going to do a small warm up. Write the dates of some special days you celebrate. Then complete your happy days calendar. Whichever special days you celebrate with your parents, that you have to write here, and on which day you are celebrating that. When. Okay students. Now in this lesson we are going to look ahead festivals we celebrate. Which festivals we celebrate? We celebrate many special days. We enjoy these special days with our family and friends. Yes, we celebrate many special days like birthdays, anniversaries, festivals like Holi, Diwali. Yes, and we celebrate with our family and friends. Now, celebrating festivals. A festival is a special day when people get together and celebrate with their family and friends. They pray, eat special food and give gifts to each other. Festival days are filled with celebration. Whenever any festival is there, people come to our house, right? Our relatives, our friends. We celebrate with each other. We pray, we eat special food. Our mother is cooking. Our mother cooks for us a very delicious food on festivals, right? And festival days are filled with celebration. We love to celebrate festivals. And we exchange gifts also. Then our first festival is Diwali. Today is Diwali. Gopal's house looks beautiful. His mother has lit many other lamps outside the house. What Gopal is saying, today is Diwali and Gopal's house looks beautiful. Today is Diwali and Gopal's house looks beautiful. Why? Because they have lit many other lamps outside their house. Gopal and Gauri, his sister, are making a pretty rangoli. See, you can see here both brother and sister are making pretty rangoli. In Diwali, your mother is also putting rangoli outside the house, right? They will not light firecrackers this time. They have decided that this time they are not going to light firecrackers because it is not good for our environment. Firecrackers are noisy and loud, says Gopal. This Gopal is saying when we light firecrackers are very noisy and loud. I don't like the smoke, says Gauri. Gauri is saying, I don't like the smoke comes out of that firecrackers. They wear new clothes and share sweets with their friends. In Diwali, what they are doing? They wear new clothes and share sweets with their friends and relative ones. Now, second festival is Eid al-Fitr. Rahim and his family are celebrating Eid al-Fitr. They went to the mosque in the morning. They are celebrating Eid. Okay, and when Eid is there, they went to the mosque for the prayer in the morning. They wore new clothes. Saba, Rahim's sister, is eating special sweets. They also wear new clothes. Yes, and Saba, Rahim's sister, is eating special sweets. She is eating something sweet. Rahim's friends have to come to join the celebration. Now Rahim's friends are there. They also came to join the celebration. They hug each other and say Eid Mubarak. They give a hug to each other and say Eid Mubarak. Rahim's mother gives their friends a type of pudding called sevaiya. She is Rahim's mother and he is giving sevaiya to all the children, those who are come to their house. Now next festival is Christmas. What we do in Christmas? Today is 25th December. It is Christmas. Every year 25th December we celebrate Christmas. John and his brother Daryl are excited to open their gifts placed around the Christmas tree. Yes, your parents are also giving gifts on Christmas. Yes. So Daryl is also excited to open the gift placed around the Christmas tree. You can see here gifts are there around the Christmas tree. They decorated the tree last night. They also had special prayers at church. They have decorated the Christmas tree last night and they are also doing prayers at church. On the day of Christmas, they wish their friends and relatives Merry Christmas. On the day of Christmas, what they are doing? They are wishing each and everyone, whoever, their friends, their relatives, Merry Christmas. Then, next is Holi. Today, Lata and her neighbors are celebrating Holi. They are saying today is Holi and Lata and her neighbors are celebrating Holi, the festival of colors. See, you can see here Lata and her friends are playing Holi, and the Holi is festival of colors. The festival is celebrated in spring. When it is celebrated? In spring season. They will spray color powder and water carefully on each other and greet everyone Happy Holi. What they are doing? They are spraying color powder and water carefully on each other. Why carefully? Because water and that color powder should not go in your nose, in your eyes. Why? Because it will hurt yourself, right? And they are wishing each and everyone to Happy Holi, and they are wishing Happy Holi to their friends. Now next festival is Guru Parab. Damanjit has come to the Gurudwara with his parents. Now Damanjit has come to Gurudwara to pray with his parents. They are wearing new clothes. They also wear new clothes on Guru Parab. Today they are celebrating Guru Parab. They will have special prayers at Gurudwara. When on Guru Parab they go to Gurudwara and do the prayers. Langars are organized during Guru Parab in which everyone is welcome to eat the food served. Langars means there they provide food to each and everyone. Those who go to Gurudwara, they can eat and they welcome to eat the food served. They welcome all those who go to Gurudwara. They serve food with a happy heart. Then next festival is Buddha Jayanti or Buddha Jayanti. Druki is hanging small colored flags around the banyan tree outside the temple. You can see here, this is banyan tree and he is Druki. He is hanging small colored flags. You can see here colored flags outside the temple. He is outside the temple. See, you can see here temple and the tree is outside the temple. And he is hanging small colored flags around the banyan tree. His mother is lighting candles in front of the statue. And what his mother is doing? She is lighting candles in front of the statue of the Buddha in the temple, inside the temple. They can hear the monks praying in the temple. The monks are praying in the temple. They can hear it very clearly. They are celebrating Buddha Jayanti or Buddha Jayanti. They are celebrating? They are celebrating Buddha Jayanti. Then the next festival is Mahavir Jayanti. Achin is waiting to give fruits and water to the monks. Now what Achin is doing? Achin is waiting to give fruits and water to the monks, those who pray inside the temples. The monks are carrying a statue of Mahavir through the streets. They all are carrying statue of the Mahavir god and through the streets. They are walking through the streets. It is the festival of Mahavir Jayanti. We called it Mahavir Jayanti. Achin went to the temple in the morning. The temple was beautifully decorated with flags. Now Achin went to the temple in the morning to do prayer, and when she went to temple, when she saw the temple was beautifully decorated with flags. On this Mahavir Jayanti, they decorate the temple with flags. Okay students? Okay students, the next festival is Nowruz. Meher's family is celebrating Nowruz. She is helping her father clean the house. Meher is helping to clean the house to her father. Meher's family is celebrating Nowruz. She is helping her father clean the house. Cyrus is helping his mother cook a rice dish known as pulao. You can see here Cyrus is helping his mother to cook pulao, and what Meher is doing? Meher is helping her father to clean the house. You also help your mother and father to clean the house and to cook the food? Yes. The whole house is filled with the smell of pulao. The mother was cooking pulao and the whole house is filled with the smell of pulao. Later they will all wear new clothes and go to the fire temple to pray. What they are saying, after finishing their work, what they are going to do, they are going to wear new clothes and they will also go to temple to pray, fire temple to pray. Okay students, now next festival is Onam. Anu is watching a boat race. She has come to Kerala to visit her grandparents. Now Anu is watching a boat race. You can see here the picture. This is boat race. They are racing with each other. Anu is watching a boat race. She has come to Kerala. She went to Kerala to visit her grandparents, to meet her grandparents. Her grandmother gifted her new clothes. Her grandmother, what she has gifted? She has gifted her new clothes. Anu and her cousins made a beautiful pattern with flowers in front of their house. They are celebrating Onam. Now what they are doing? Anu and her cousins made a beautiful pattern with flowers. Beautiful pattern means when you do a rangoli in front of your house in Diwali, same way they are doing with flowers in front of their house. They are celebrating Onam. I hope students you all have understood. Now see here, wrap up festivals. This is the spelling of festivals, and in festivals what we do? Family and friends come together to celebrate festivals, and some festivals we celebrate are, some of the festivals are Diwali, Eid, Holi, Christmas, Guru Parab, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Nowruz and Onam. And in festival we should not burn firecrackers during Diwali. Okay students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Yes, now we are going to evaluate. First is choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. They have given you this box. In box they have given you options. You have to choose the correct word. First one is we celebrate dash in the month of December. What we celebrate in December? Christmas. So the spelling of Christmas is here. We are going to write it down now. Christmas, Christmas. Now second one is Holi is celebrated in which season? Spring season. So we are going to write the spelling of spring. Spring, spring. Children love to celebrate all festivals, right? We love to celebrate all festivals. And especially children loves to celebrate all these festivals. Then number 4 is people decorate their homes with lamps for Diwali. Diwali, Diwali. Now the second question is strike out the incorrect word. We have to strike out incorrect, whichever is wrong. First one is people light lamps or trees for Diwali. For Diwali, what we light, lamps or trees? Lamps. So tree is the incorrect one. So we are going to cross it. Then second one is sevaiya or cake is made on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. What we make on Eid? We make sevaiya, right? So cake is incorrect one. Number 3 is people decorate a Christmas tree for Easter or Christmas. Christmas tree on Christmas. So Easter is the incorrect one. So we are going to cross it. Now see the next question. C. State true or false. We have to read the statements and we have to tell whether the statement is true or false. Number 1 is a festival is a time for happiness. Yes, we all enjoy celebrating festivals, right? So it is true. So we are going to write the spelling of true. T-R-U-E, true. Then number 2 is monks carry a statue of Mahavir on Mahavir Jayanti. Yes, they carry the statue of Mahavir on Mahavir Jayanti. Yes, it's correct. So we are going to write here true. T-R-U-E, true. Third one is boat races are held during Diwali. No. So this is false. So spelling of false is F-A-L-S-E, false. Fourth one is we get together for langar at Gurudwara. Yes. True. T-R-U-E, true. Now see here, next question is draw lines to match correctly. Whenever you draw lines, you have to use scale. Okay. So the first one is Diwali. Here some options are given. We'll read first. Fire temple, decorated tree, boat race, lamps or sevaiya. On Diwali we light lamps. So the answer is D1. So we are going to match with the scale. Now second one is Eid. Fire temple, decorated tree, boat race. We have finished this, so we will not read this again. And sevaiya. So the answer is on Eid we make sevaiya. Okay, so we are going to match it. Then the third one is Christmas. Fire temple, decorated tree or boat race. On Christmas we decorate a tree. Then fourth one is Navroz. Fire temple or boat race? Fire temple. Then Onam, on Onam boat race is there. So we are going to match that. Okay students. Now see here, next question is answer in 1 or 2 words. Answer in 1 or 2 words. When is Christmas celebrated? When is Christmas celebrated? It is celebrated on 25 December. So we are going to write the spelling of December. We will write first 25 and spelling of December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. Then number 2 question. What festival is Meher celebrating in the chapter? Which festival Meher is celebrating? Meher is celebrating Navroz. So we are going to write the spelling of Navroz. N-A-V-R-O-Z-E. Navroz. Okay students. So the next question, answer in a sentence. This question answer I am going to give you in your notebook. Okay. Now see this one. Next, look at the picture given. Which festival does it remind you of? From watching this picture, which festival comes in your mind? Christmas, right? So we are going to write here spelling of Christmas. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S, Christmas. Okay students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. So we are going to meet in our next lecture. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.